Adair, and I'm a current student at Thiel College taking a course entitled Integrated Instructional Systems. I am teaching a standard-based lesson in math based on the Common Core standards and integrating technology in my lesson. I hope you enjoy my teaching. Good morning, class.
Good morning.
So today we're going to review how we read a clock. So can we go around and count by fives? So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Now what time is it? Raise your hand if you know. Alyssa. It's 1 o'clock. Right. This one's a little bit tricky. Remember which ones are hour hand and which ones are minute hand while you're looking at this. And put your finger on your nose if you think you know the time. Okay. Leah, what time is it?
1:15.
What time is it? Finger on your nose when you know. Okay, Jackie?
7:55.
Very good. 7:55. Alright, so now we're going to do a little bit of a game on the PowerPoint. It's what time is it? So during this PowerPoint, I'm going to put up an analog clock. Can anybody tell me when the analog clock is? Analog clock is? Alyssa? Yes, the ones with the hands that look just like this. And then you're going to have to tell me the digital time. What does a digital clock look like? Katie?
It only has numbers.
It only has numbers. Very good. All right, so what time is this? And if you know, put your hand on your head. Brittany.
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Very good. All right, next time. Bryce.
8 o'clock.
Oh, correct. Very good. All right, next one. If you know this answer, stand up. Leah.
1:15.
Ooh, not quite. It's 1:05. Can somebody explain to Leah why it's 1:05 and not 1:15? Alyssa.
It's only at the 1. One's only 5 minutes. 15's at 3.
So when you're counting a clock, it's 5, 10, 15. So the minute hand, if you want it to be 1:15, you would want to have the minute hand at the 3. But since the minute hand's at the 1, it's only 1:05. All right, and I think this is our last one. So if you know it, stand up. Brittany.
9:10.
Very good. Alright, class, now that we practice on the board, you're going to practice by yourselves using the iPads. So, I'm going to pass them out, and when you get them, open them up. And if you don't remember how to open them up, or you have difficulty opening them up, ask the partner. And if after you ask 3 of your friends how to open it up, you can come ask me. And we played this the other day, so you should be able to go ahead and get started and play. And then I'll give you about 2 minutes to play with that one, and then we're going to learn how to play Stop the Clock. Good, very good. Alright, Leah, are you doing okay with this?
I think so.
Alright. Explain to me this next one. How you do this next one. So explain to me how you know it's going to be 8 o'clock.
I need to move the 1 to the 8.
Okay, and where does the minute hand have to be when there's double zeros?
Right at the top.
Very good. Alright, boys and girls, we're going to stop playing the Stop the Clock, and you're going to push the big red arrow to go back. So everybody see it? It's in the top corner. So push the big red arrow and go back. And if you have gone back to that screen that your screen looks like mine, put your finger on your nose so I know you're there. Alright, very good. Now we're going to go to Stop the Clock. So you can go ahead and get started. And if you need to turn up your volume so you can hear the clicking going around the clock, you can turn up your volume. Very good, Katie. All right, boys and girls, we're going to close our app for today. All right, who thinks they can do a hard one? Raise your hand if you can do a hard one. Ooh, Katie. All right, what time is this?
11:50.
11:55, very good. Can you explain to the rest of the class how you knew it was 11:55 and not another time?
Yeah, because the little moon isn't on 12 yet, so it's 11, and then the other one's
Very good. And Alyssa, do you want a hard one? All right. So this one's gonna be one that we're gonna actually learn tomorrow. So you think you're up for the challenge? All right. Can you tell me what time it is?
12.
Very good. Can you explain to us? Do you think you can explain it to us?
Well, because it's between the 6 and the 7, it's still 6 o'clock.
Very good.
And 2 is 10, 3 is 15, and there's little notches in between. Each one's 1 minute.
Good. And so how many minutes are after the 10?
2.
So you know it was 12. Very good. All right. Thank you, class.